Create a page in that website you want your premium content only accessible with a password. Then hide that page from navigation.
Next, use the password you received for your one-time payment to access the WebLink Lock generator to create your WebLink Lock. At the WebLink Lock generator, create a password you want for your users to enter your premium content web page. Then enter the full web page address that you want password protected. Now press the Generate WebLink Lock button to produce your WebLink Lock code. If you make a mistake, you can press the Start Over button or refresh the page to start again. Now copy-paste the code.
Next, go to your website builder and pick the page you want to place the WebLink Lock. Next, embed the code by pressing the Embed button, then selecting Embed Code, then pasting the code. Now you can insert your WebLink Lock in your website.
With your WebLink Lock in place, you will now need to add text boxes either above or below your WebLink Lock explaining what it is for, and how to acquire a password to access your password-protected web page. Then add a button with link to a sales page to make a purchase to receive a password.
There really isn't much more to it. Test out your WebLink locks and their links and passwords. And it would probably be a good idea to write down, or make a spreadsheet for all your passwords and the web pages they point to, and which websites they are located.
I hope this video helped explain how to use WebLink Locks by RJ Select.